Get ready, because the Social Security update coming right now is one of the biggest changes Americans will see in years. December 2025 ISMT, just another month a month that could completely shift how and when millions receive their Social Security and SSI payments. And if you don't understand the updated schedule, the new CALA impact, the early deposits, and the holiday adjustments, you could end up missing money that you depend on. This is not a small update. This is one of the most important financial announcements of the year for retirees, disabled workers, survivors, and low-income Americans. So do not skip anything in this video. I'm not like other channels that guess, exaggerate, or chase views. I don't post clickbait. I post real, verified Social Security updates that affect your benefits, your income, and your future. My only job is to protect you from misinformation and make sure you get every dollar you re-entitled to. If you're tired of confusing or misleading videos, subscribe right now, because here you get real timelines, real payment schedules, real SSA updates, and real clarity. Not rumors, facts. Now, let's talk about what's actually happening, because December 2025 is bringing changes that millions still don't know about. Whether you receive retirement benefits, disability benefits, survivor benefits, SSI, or a combination of programs, your payment timing could be different this month. And missing these changes means you might not understand why your deposit shows up early, late, or on a completely unexpected date. Before we dive into exact dates, you need to understand the biggest reason December is so different. December sits right next to federal holidays. Christmas, New Year, and bank closures all collide with the Social Security Administration's strict payment rules. And when a payment date falls on a weekend or a holiday, SSA must legally shift it to the earliest business day. That's where all the confusion starts. But by the end of this video, you won't be confused at all. You'll know exactly what day your payment is coming, whether you're in Group 1, Group 2, Group 3, SSI, SSDI, survivors, or a mixed benefit household. And I'm going to break it down one step at a time so you never caught off guard. Let's begin with the standard Social Security schedule. Most Americans don't even realize their payment date is determined purely by one thing, their birthday. That means three major groups. If your birthday is between the 1st and the 10th of any month, your payment arrives on the second Wednesday. If you were born between the 11th and the 20th, your payment arrives on the third Wednesday. And if your birthday is between the 21st and the 31st, your payment arrives on the fourth Wednesday. This schedule spreads millions of payments evenly across the month. Normally, this system works without chaos. But not in December, because the calendar interrupts everything. Christmas 2025 falls on a Thursday. The day before December 24th is a holiday period. Banks close early, processing delays hit. And Social Security is not allowed to push payments into a holiday zone, so they shift payments earlier. That means the group normally paid on the fourth Wednesday will not receive their money on December 24th. Their payment will come early. Let me now break down the exact payment dates so you can write them down and prepare. If you're in the first birthday group, first 10th, your December 2025 payment will arrive on Wednesday, December 10th. That does not change. If you're in the second birthday group, 11th, 20th, your December payment will arrive on Wednesday, December 17th, also unchanged. But Group 3 people born between the 21st and 31st is where everything changes. Your regular payment date would be the fourth Wednesday, December 24th, but because of Christmas week, Social Security is shifting this payment earlier. So instead of the 24th, Group 3 will now receive their payment on Wednesday, December 18th. That is a 6-day jump from what many will expect. Now let's talk about SSI, because the biggest confusion always comes from SSI recipients. SSI is normally paid on the first day of every month. But when the first lands on a weekend or a federal holiday, the payment gets moved to the previous business day. In January 2026, the first falls on a holiday. So instead of being paid January 1st, SSI recipients get their January payment a day early, December 31st, 2025. This means many SSI recipients will get TWO payments in December. One on December 1st for December, one on December 31st for January, This is not bonus money, it's just an early deposit for next month. But millions mistake this for an extra benefit and get confused when January arrives with no new payment. If you receive both SSI and Social Security, your deposit dates may be split. You may get one payment on December 1st, another on December 31st, and your Social Security payment somewhere in between depending on your birthday group. Many people think they missed money when they actually received it earlier than expected. Now let's talk about an issue that spikes every December: scams. Because this month involves early payments and multiple deposits, scammers know seniors are vulnerable. The Social Security Administration will never call you to confirm your payment date, ask for your Social Security number, ask for banking info, or tell you there's a bonus benefit you need to claim. If someone calls you saying that, hang up immediately. Call the official SSA number yourself. Never trust incoming calls. Another thing you need to know: banks slow down during holiday weeks. Payments may process early or late depending on your bank's internal system. SSI may release your payment at midnight, but your bank can take hours or even another day to post it. If your payment is 3 business days late, you should contact Social Security and your bank to see where the delay is happening. But do not panic if you don't see your deposit early in the morning. Now let's talk about COLA, the cost of living adjustment. The 2025 COLA already went into effect in January, so your December payment includes the full adjusted amount. This is important because many assume December comes with a bonus COLA. That's not how SSA works. COLA begins every January, not December. Let's talk taxes for a moment. If you earn income outside of Social Security, a portion of your benefits may be taxable. December is the month you should review whether you want taxes withheld from your payments. If you don't want a surprise tax bill in April, use Form W-4V to request withholding. If you are working while receiving Social Security and you are younger than full retirement age, December is when you review the earnings limit. If you cross the limit, your benefits may be adjusted. Use SS Earnings Calculator to confirm. Let's talk about what to do if you spot a mistake in your December payment amount. If the deposit is higher or lower than expected, call SS immediately. You can also check your My Social Security account online to view your payment history, schedule, and benefit adjustments. This account is essential, especially in December when payment shifts are common. Now, let's repeat the December 2025 schedule one more time clearly, because this is critical. SSI gives December 1st, normal. SSI January payment gives December 31st, early. Social Security, born 1 to 10, gives December 10th. Born 11 to 20 gives December 17th. Born 21 to 31 gives December 18th. Shifted early. Review your dates carefully. Mark them. Share this with family or friends who might be confused. If this video helped you understand your December Social Security and SSI payments, hit like, subscribe, and comment your birth group below so I know which schedule applies to you. I'll keep tracking every update from SSA, Congress, and the Treasury Department, and you'll be the first to know when something changes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next update.